Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMZN, Amazon. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Been doing this analysis on a routine basis, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And a rough day today as the bottom part of this pattern here has been broken, which brings about our first update here. And this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into the day, that 3150 mark was considered the area of support, but when the price broke down below it this afternoon, at that point, you'd expect it to act as resistance, and actually it played out perfectly. You could throw this right into a textbook. You can see during the last 30 minutes, there was an attempted bounce, and the highest the bounce got was right up there around 3150. So yeah, not shocking at all to see that level now being relatively stubborn. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that the price can never, ever get back above 3150. I'm just saying it makes sense why that price did struggle with that area. So point here being that in the very near term now, 3150 is going to be that first key level of resistance that needs to be broken. And then after that, yeah, you can put more focus back up there around the 3190 mark. But as of right now, before you even focus on 3190, like I said, the price first needs to prove itself in the near term by getting up above that 3150 mark. So keep a close eye on that, and that'll be the two key levels of resistance to watch moving into Wednesday. Now, what about areas of support? Well, as far as supports are concerned, next key level to watch closely going to be down here at, let's see, what is that? The 3115 mark. And then just from a bigger picture point of view, continue to watch that purple line right there. It's on my chart to notes. They're very well known, the very famous 50 period moving average. Current value of that is at 3104, but I say current because that is a moving average, meaning that line is going to move and change. Therefore, that value right there is going to also move and change. So you'll have to be a little bit more proactive to keep an eye on, what the current value of that area is. But as of now, those are going to be the main technical levels to watch moving into Wednesday. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.